Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Learn Math with Priya. In this video, we are going to solve question number 4 to 6 from exercise 11.3 of grade 9. If you have not watched my previous video based on this exercise 11.1 and 11.2, just go and visit the description box. The links are given there. Question number 4. Just filter the given from the question. Okay. If the volume of a right circular cone of height 9 centimeter, so h is equal to 9 centimeter, and the volume of a right circular cone of height 9 centimeter is, so they are talking about volume is 48 pi centimeter cube. What is a shape? It is a cone. So I'm talking about the height and the volume of a cone. Okay, if volume of a cone is 48 pi, its formula is also equal to 48 pi, isn't it? That is 1 by 3 pi r square h is equal to 48 pi. And what I have to find? I need to find the diameter. So in order to find the diameter, I just want to find the radius, and then the diameter and radius relation is d is equal to 2 times r. So in order to find the solution, I know the volume is 48 pi, and you can see the pi is there on both side of the equation, so just cancel it. Okay, so 1 by 3 r I need to find, so keep that as it is. H is 9 centimeter, that is equal to 48. So 3 times 3 is 9. So 3r square is equal to 48. So what is r square then? R square is equal to 48 by 3, which is 16. So r square is 16. So if you take square to the other side, becomes square root. So r is root of 16, which is 4. So r is 4 centimeter. But in my question, they're asking diameter of a space. So diameter is equal to 2 times of radius, that is equal to 2 times of 4, which is 8 centimeter. So conclude it. Question number 5. A conical pit of top diameter is 3.5 meter. So filter the given. Diameter is 3.5 meter. So how I will find the radius? Radius is diameter by 2, that is equal to 3.5 by 2 meter. I am not going to simplify it, just leave as it is 3.5 by 2. And then 12-meter deep. So deep is nothing but the height, which is 12 meter, isn't it? What is its capacity? In order to find the volume, the capacity is nothing but volume of a cone. So I need to find the volume of a cone, but my unit should be in kiloliters. So if the unit is in meter cube, first convert meter cube to liter and then to kiloliters. Okay, so let's find the volume of a cone. So what is the formula for volume of a cone? That is 1 by 3 pi r square h, isn't it? So what is pi? It is 22 by 7. R is 3.5 by 2 times 3.5 by 2, and h is 12 meter, isn't it? Now cancel all the possible things. So 2 times of 6 is 12, 2 times of 3 is 6, then again 3 and 3 will get cancelled, and 7, 3.5 will cancel by 0.5 times. So by now you know how to do the decimal division, isn't it? So 22 times 0.5, so remove the decimal, so it is just 22 times 5, which is 110, and if there is one decimal digits, you need to place the decimal point one digit before, isn't it? So it becomes 11. 11 times 3.5, which is going to be 38.5 meter cube. So you know 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liters, or I can say 1 kiloliter, isn't it? So 38.5 meter cube is nothing but, so 38.5 meter cube is 38.5 kiloliters. Okay. Question number 6. The volume of right circular cone is 9856 centimeter cube. So first filter the given statement. That is, the volume of a cone is equal to 9856 centimeter cube, isn't it? So if volume of a cone is 9856, I can relate its formula also equal to that value, isn't it? So 1 by 3 pi r square h is equal to 9856. Now, read the next part of the question. If the diameter of the base is 28 centimeter, So diameter is equal to 28 centimeter. So what would be the radius? Radius is diameter by 2, which is 28 centimeter by 2. That is going to be 14 centimeter. Now, what are the things I need to find? There are subdivisions, right? I need to find the height of the cone, and the second is going to be the CSE of a cone, and the third part is going to be the slant height of the cone. So all this can be determined with the help of the formulas. So can we do one by one? So from the volume given, I can determine the height, right? So 1 by 3, pi value is 22 by 7, r takes the value 14 times 14 into h is equal to 9856. So cancel 7 and 14 two times. So is there is any possibilities of cancelling? No, right? So 22 times 2 is 44 into 14 into h by 3 is equal to 9856. So I can keep h on the left hand side, taking all the numbers to the right hand side. When we are transposing, the denominator will come to the numerator and the numerator will come to the denominator. Now I'm cancelling by 11 table. 11 times 4 is 44. 11 times 8 is 88. So the remainder will be 10, 105. 8 times 9 is 99. So remainder will be 6, so it becomes 66. So 11 times 6 is 66. And again I can cancel 896 and 4 by 2 table. So 4 times 2 is 8. Again 4 times 2 is 8. Remainder will be 1, so it becomes 16. 8 times 2 is 60. 2 times 2 is 4. Again, I'm cancelling by 2 tables, so it becomes 2, 2, 4. Write the remaining if you're confused with the cancellations. Okay, the remaining values you keep it and then you cancel. So again, I can cancel by 2 tables, so it becomes 1, 1, 2, and this is 7 times. So now I can cancel by 7 tables. 7 ones are 7, 7 6 are 42. So h is equal to 16 times 3, which is 48 centimeter. Next, we need to find the slant height of the cone, that is L. After finding slant height, I can substitute in the formula CSA, that is pi RL, right? Next, we need to determine slant height. So radius is given as 14 centimeter and height we determine from the volume, that is 48 centimeter, isn't it? So how I will find L square? We have a relation L square is equal to h square plus r square. So L is equal to root of h square plus r square, that is root of 48 square plus 14 square. So 48 square is 2304 and 14 square, that is 14 times 14 is 196. When I add 2304 and 196, you will get 2500. This can be written as 25 times 100. Square root of 25 is 5. Square root of 100 is 10, so it is 50. Or directly you can specify here 25 root of 2500 is 50. So L is equal to 50 centimeter. So I determine the slant height. Now the third part of the question is to determine CSE of a cone. So what is the formula for CSE of a cone? That is pi times RL, isn't it? So 22 by 7, R is 14 and L is we found just now as 50 centimeter. So 7 times 2 is 14. So it will be 50 times 2 is 100. So if I multiply 2 times 50, it is going to be 100. So my calculation will become simpler, isn't it? So 22 times 100 is 2200. And the unit is centimeter square. So we have determined the height of the cone, slant height of the cone, as well as the CSA of a cone. So let's solve question number 7 to 9 of grade 9 from exercise 11.3 in my next video.